everyone, welcome to Sparkle Study Time. Today we are going to learn about Social Studies Club. Let's see what is meant by Social Studies Club. A Social Studies Club is a group of students who share an interest in social studies and participation in activities related to the subject. So they will be participating some activities like displaying both on current issues, taking students to the field trips, and they'll participating in programs like exhibitions, science exhibitions, etc. Let's see what are the social clubs be found. Social studies club can be found in higher education settings and in social activities in school. And see the activities: discussing of current events, preparing projects, reports on current topics, putting up social science exhibitions, and decorating, displaying boards on current issues, taking of students to the trips, performing skits on burning topics. So benefits, let's see what are the benefits of social studies club. Social studies club helps students to explore different disciplines with the social science, and social studies club helps students to learn about human rights and responsibilities. So if you see, some activities will be there: daily review, uh, some guidelines, project based learning will be there, and project problem solving activities discussing about current problems and current events. And students studies club helps students work together, create a just a world. This means students studies club can be include excursions, quiz, historical journals, and debates, speech, and displaying of boards, social science exhibitions they'll be created. Social studies club can help students to develop their sense and historical inquiry and personality, and they can also help the students to realize the value of unity and working together with others who shares their interest. So finally we have understood that social club organize different activities, putting of social science exhibitions and project reports, as well as displaying boards or current issues, taking the students for the trip, and skits on burning topic. So by this topic we have known about the importance of social science club. Thank you for watching Sparkle Study Time. Thank you everyone.